Todd with Jeep Speed Shop. I'm finally getting back to this 8-speed project that I started, I don't know, I think it's a year now. So 14 JK unlimited Rubicon that I have with a 3.6 liter Rubicon. So here's the output on the nag1, which came out of this Jeep. And here's the Rubicon case, which also came out of this Jeep. Drive shafts and whatnot, I guess. Here's the 8-speed that we're going to be using out of a 17 Dodge Ram truck, 3.6 liter four-wheel drive. This is a transmission we got it a while ago. We're going to do some testing on this 3.6 liter 8-speed swap. So here's the non-Rubicon case now I'm going to use, because I don't feel I need the 4-to-1. This is 2.7 2-to-1. So here's the 8-speed I'm using. There's the nag1 that we pulled out. So this thing is also 2¼ inches shorter than that. So just so you know, so stock drive shafts won't be a problem. Aftermarket drive shafts will be a problem. So, all right, well, so we're gonna reuse the flex plate. We're obviously not gonna need any of this anymore, because that's the wiring for the nag1. All that goes, the cable for the nag1 goes. It looks like we can reuse the starter from the 3.6. So we're gonna kind of go over this as we do this conversion, find out the cheapest, easiest way to do this so that you can put an 8-speed behind a JK. All right, so here we go, man. Getting on to my project that I've been wanting to do now for over a year. All right, Jeep Speed Shop out.